Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to create week-wise groups from dates in pivot table. So let's start this Excel and here you can see I have data. So here you can see in this data I have a date column. So this date column I'm going to create the week-wise groups, okay, in pivot table. So let's start how it starts. First, I'm going to create here the pivot table. To create pivot table, simply select the inside the cell of this data. Then go to the Insert tab. In Tables group, click on the pivot table. Then click on the From Table or Range option. Then here you can see the one dialog box is open. The pivot table from table or range. The first option, select a table or range. The table range is automatically selected. You can see here the selection of the data also. And second, choose where you want the pivot table to be placed. Then select the new worksheet and click on OK, and that's it. Here the new worksheet is added. With the pivot table fields right hand side and pivot table analyze tab and design tab also added. So you can just drag this field below the area to create pivot table. So I simply drag the date in rows. So I just drag the row, and same as I dragged the total price in values area. So here you can see the pivot table is created. But in this date, you can see the some fields is automatically added months wise, quarter wise, and year wise. So I deselect this all these fields and you can see only the date column is showing here. Now I want this date in week wise group. Okay, week wise group. So simply select the any date. So I just select the one date and go to the pivot table analysis. In group, the group selection option is available. Just click on the group selection. Here the grouping dialog box is open. The first is the auto starting date, ending date is mentioned accordingly your the data. Okay, so in this data, those are starting date is here capture and the second ending date is captured. Okay, after that, here just you can see the three option is selected months, quarters, and years. So deselect this all the three and select here the days. Okay, then here you can see the one option number of days one. So enter here the 7 in week, the 7 days. Okay, 1 week in 7 days. Okay, so mention here the 7 days and click on OK, and that's it. Here you can see the create the week wise group from date. Okay, so hope you understood. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.